In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add geometric 3D shapes in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match and click on the blank document. Now here we just need to simply look at the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. And here you can find 3D models. Click on the drop down and choose Stock 3D models. But make sure you are connected to an internet connection before you can go on with this process. And here in the search bar, simply type 3D shapes and hit enter. Okay, so you can just simply choose from here as to what shape, geometric 3D shapes they want to add or insert into your Microsoft Word. Okay, you can go with any of this. Okay, so let's choose this one and then click on insert. And now that it has been inserted, you can also click on this one and you can rotate this. Okay, like that. So that's it. That's how you can easily create or insert geometric 3D shapes in Microsoft Word. You also have this one from here. Okay, the 3D model views. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.